Go to the Drake, fuck it out, making them pay. It's high and niggas won't take it, hey. I'm having my way. Said out here having this way. Way out here having this way. And like the third me go out, take me. What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as y'all can see, we have on a new wig. We're doing another wig install, y'all. This one is from Hermosa hair. It is this beautiful honey blonde wig. It is 22 inches, a 13 by 4 inch closure. Texture is body wave. So I just installed the wig, wand curled it up, and this is what I came up with. Literally, I just got finished curling, so the curls are still pretty tight, but I think it's super cute. But yeah, they sent me this wig and we tried it out, y'all. I was really scared because of the color, but now that it's all installed, I think it's pretty cute. So let me show y'all. It's cute. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I installed this wig, definitely continue watching. But before you even continue, give this video a like, and y'all better check out Hermosa hair, y'all. But I'm gonna let the install speak for itself. All right, continue watching. Bye. Hi guys, so we're just gonna jump into the video. I'm just getting to installing this wig because I probably said it in the intro, but I'm sick right now. So I don't have much of a voice or words, so we're just going to get into the video. But I will show you guys the wig and talk a little bit about it. So this is the wig that Hermosa hair sent me. It's giving like Beyonce or something, y'all. I don't know how I feel about the color. I feel like when they showed it to me, it looked a little bit different than this. Like, this is real honey, and I just feel like on my complexion is giving like lion and not cute. So I'm very scared about this color, but we're just gonna try it out. But yeah, so it is a 13 by 4 closure. I mean 13 by 4 frontal, I believe. It's 220% density, and it is 22 inches, and the color is honey blonde, and it is body wave, so it is very thick. The density is correct. It's a very thick full wig. Love that for them. I did not bleach the knots, but I did pluck it a little bit. And yeah, the wig has an elastic band in the back that you can adjust to make it tighter, looser, whatever you need, as well as the smaller little elastic thingies. And it also has little clips, of course, inside. So the wig is definitely looking very secure. So we're just gonna install this. Oh, I did go ahead and put a little bit of makeup inside of the wig, but that is all, y'all. So we're just gonna go ahead and install it, and let's see how it turns out, because I'm very scared. But yeah, let's get into it.
Don't even be bragging, these little nigga maggots. I don't even flinch, that shit be on accident. Fell in my lap, hit your bitch on an accident. I shoot my shot at some point, that shit accurate. Go to the Drake, what else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it, ayy. I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this way. Way I ain't having this way. And like the third me go out and take it. Shoving that shit in their face. Then I go put that boy right in display. They know they don't matter my way. I was 17 on the song with Dre. It's like an ignition notice when we dropping. Get up. Cause niggas get moved out they space. Move. 2.5 was going on 3, but fuck it, cause it's worth the wait. I got the beginning, but I want everything that's on the menu, but what's on your plate? I talk to God, he give me the faith. I hit the boy if I need me a drink. I got a Richie that sit on my level, but somehow I always be pulling up late. Aiming on earth. Ever since I got that rocket chain and took a trip out of space. Ever since Ron, cause it's not a race. Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it, ayy. I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this way. Way I ain't having this way. And like the third me go out, take it. to the Drake. Fuck it, I'm making them pay. It's high and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this way. Way I ain't having this way. And like the third me go out, take me. What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this way. Way I ain't having this way. And like the third me go out, take what? Hey, yeah. Now that I'm picking it through, I just ain't fell in love cause I'm way too awake. And she try fucking a rapper to break on my heart, but my heart doesn't break. Soon as I link with these niggas, they feelings are written all over their face. What? Okay, great. I'm in the back room with Wally's, I spent 30,000 on somebody's grapes. We done did so many pull-ups on niggas, no wonder we getting in shape. Too busy backing my words up with actions to ever go front of your face. What? What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this way. Way I ain't having this way. And like the third me go out, take what? Go to the Drake. Making them fuck niggas pay. Straight at the trap to the play. We gone. Who say they ain't having their way? Who might have a little more on their play? We having our way in 3 ways. OBO scope on the tray. We having our way. Having that shit. Fuck how you take it. We straight from the pagan. I caught me some cases and beat it and rape. Seen they was taking no communication, no invitation, cut off circulation. Blue or the rebel, got it, this the matrix. Crosses all on my body, watch for Satan. I'm having gallery leather, no talking, we smashing. Smash one the classic, ain't none of this average. Sniper, I'm sniping the bitch, I'm assassin. I piped it, then pipe the bitch up for some action. Don't even be bragging, these little nigga maggots. Now I don't even flinch, this shit be on accident. Fell in my left, hit your bitch on an accident. I shoot my shot at some point, this shit accurate. Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this way. Way I ain't having this way. And like the third me go out, take what? Yeah. Shoving that shit in their face. Then I go put that boy right in display. They know they don't have my way. I was 17 on the song with Dre. It's like an ignition notice when we dropping. Get up. These niggas get moved out they space. Move. 2.5 was going on 3, but fuck it, cause it's worth the wait. I got the beginning, but I want everything that's on the menu and what's on your plate. I talk to God, he give me the faith. I hit the boy if I need me a drink. I got a Richie that sit on my left, but somehow I always be pulling up late. Aiming on earth. Ever since I got that rocket chain and took a trip out of space. Ever since born, cause it's not a race. Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this way. Way I ain't having this way. And like the third me go out, take it. Go to the Drake. Fuck it, I'm making them pay. It's high and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this way. Way I ain't having this way. And like the third me go out, take me. What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this way. Way I ain't having this way. And like the third me go out, take what? Hey, yeah. Now that I'm picking it through, I just ain't fell in love cause I'm way too awake. And she try fucking a rapper to break on my heart, but my heart doesn't break. Soon as I link with these niggas, they feelings are written all over their face. What? Okay, great. I'm in the back room with Wally's, I spent 30,000 on somebody's grapes. We done did so many pull-ups on niggas, no wonder we getting in shape. Too busy backing my words up with actions to ever go front of your face. What? What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this way. Way I ain't having this way. And like the third me go out, take what? Hey. Go to the Drake. Making them fuck niggas pay. Straight at the trap to the play. We gone. Who say they ain't having their cases and beat it in red. Seen they was taking no communication, no invitation, cut off circulation. Blue or the rebel, got it, this the matrix. Crosses all on my body, watch for Satan. I'm having gallery leather, no talking, we smashing. Smash one in classic, ain't none of this average. Sniper, I'm sniping the bitch, I'm assassin. I piped it, then pipe the bitch up for some action. Don't even be bragging, these little nigga maggots. I don't even flinch, this shit be on accident. Fell in my left, hit your bitch on an accident. I shoot my shot at some point, this shit accurate. Load up the Drake, what else are they gonna play? It's high, and niggas won't take. Ayy, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this weight. Say I ain't having this weight. And like the third nigga, I don't take. What? Yeah. Shoving that shit in their face. And I go put that boy right in display. They know they don't matter my way. I was 17 on the song with Dre. It's like an eviction notice when we dropping. Get up. These niggas get moved out they space. Move. 2.5 was going on 3, but fuck it, cause it's worth the wait. I got to be illiterate, but I want everything that's on the menu and what's on your plate. I talk to God, he give me the faith. I hit the boy if I need me a drink. I got a Richie that sit on my left, but somehow I always be pulling up late. Aiming on earth. Ever since I got that rocket chain and took a trip out of space. Ever since run, cause it's not a race. Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Ayy, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this weight. Way I ain't having this weight. And like the third nigga, I take. Load up the Drake, fuck it out, making them pay. It's high and niggas won't take it. Ayy, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this weight. Way I ain't having this weight. And like the third me go out, take. Bitch, what? Load up the Drake, what else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Ayy, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this weight. Way I ain't having this weight. And like the third me go out, take. Hey, look. Now that I'm picking it through, I just ain't fell in love cause I'm way too awake. And she try fucking a rapper to break on my heart, but my heart doesn't break. Soon as I link with these niggas, they feelings are written all over their face. What? Okay, great. I'm in the back room with Wally's, I spent 30,000 on somebody's grapes. Beating this so many pull-ups on niggas, no wonder we getting in shape. Too busy backing my words up with actions to ever go front of you. Face. What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Ayy, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this weight. Way I ain't having this weight. And like the third you go out, take. What? Go to the Drake. Making them fuck niggas pay. Straight at the trap to the play. We gone. Who say they ain't having their way? Who might have a little more on their plate? We having our way in 3 ways. OBO scope on the tray. We having our way. Having that shit. Fuck how you take it, we straight from the pagan. I caught me some cases and beat it in red. Seen they was taking no communication, no invitation, cut off.
Okay, you guys, so I have finished wand curling the hair, finished installing it, all of that. And this is the final product. So now that the wig is like completely on and it's styled, it doesn't seem that bad. The color is not that bad, y'all. I was really scared, but it's cute. It's probably not something that I would do again per se, but like it's cute for the one time. And I love the wand curls in this hair, but yeah, it's perfect. I feel like the hair curled very well. It's very cute, very flowy. I love it. A lot of body. It just looks really good. So go shop with Hermosa, y'all. Everything will be linked in the description box. The direct link to this wig, their website, everything will be in the description box, so go check that out. If you have not already, please like this video, comment what you liked, what you want to see from me, and also subscribe if you haven't already. Click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, that is it for this one, y'all. I will see y'all in the next one, and thank y'all for watching, of course. Bye.
Go to the Drake, fuck it out, making them pay. It's high and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said out here having this way. Way out here having this way. And like the third me go out. Take. Bitch. What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play?